Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Stephanie, and on today's episode, we are gonna make these cute M&M white chocolate chip cookie bars. So this is basically like a cookie cake. Really, that's really what it is. It's a cookie cake. But I'm gonna show you how to make this. It'll be super quick. You probably have most everything in your pantry to begin with. So let's get started. All right, let's gather all of our ingredients. In a large bowl, we're going to combine our granulated sugar, brown sugar, and melted butter. Rainbow trout and hummingbird wing. Golden, I'll follow only golden. Now we're going to add 1 egg at a time, stirring in between each one. Gold hair, gold rings, gold leaves, gold anything. I'm using vanilla bean paste. You can also use just vanilla extract. Now we're going to add our flour, cornstarch, salt, and baking powder. Now we're going to add our white chocolate chips and our M&Ms. For easy cleanup, use parchment or foil. And then with the offset spatula, I just smoothed it out. Now time to bake. Okay, so for our buttercream recipe, we need 1 cup of unsalted butter, 1 pound of confectioner sugar, 3 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream, a tablespoon of vanilla, and half a teaspoon of salt. To prepare our piping bag, we're just going to fold the edge down to create a collar, and then we're going to add our piping tip to the very end. And then you just want to push it down as far as you can, and then with scissors, you're just going to score the edge. Oopsies. Now I fold the tip down and then just put it in a glass jar or a cup. Now to pipe a shell border, we're just going to put pressure towards the end and release as we go down. So you're going to make like a C shape. So you're going to put pressure and then you're going to let go as you come down. All right guys, we are finished with our bars. They turned out really cute. I did like a pastel color because it's Easter, so I thought that was perfect for that. And I also have the M&M eggs. You could also, you could use the robin eggs if you prefer that, if you can't find the little Hershey eggs. But they're just milk chocolate. Cute, fun, festive. I think we should try one. Oh, it's like magic. All right, I don't know if you can see that. It's probably hard. But yeah, this is so gooey looking. All right, I'm gonna try not to look like a pig. They're very good. Now, I don't like super sweet things, so I honestly would probably cut this in half. I don't think I could eat this whole piece. Just because it's so thick. You could make it into like a 9 by 13 without doubling it. Obviously it would be thinner, but it would still give you a nice size cookie cake. This we did in an 8 by 8 pan, which I think is perfect for like a small gathering. But personally, me and my family, I would do a 9 by 13 just because it is thick, but it's so good. I think you should try it. Let me know if you have any other ideas. Definitely put a comment down below. Make sure you like, subscribe, do all the things, hit the bell, share it with your friends. Until then, we'll see y'all next week. I'm gonna keep eating my cookie. I might pass out. I might carb crash. Anyway. Oh, do y'all want to see Winnie? It is his birthday. Winston. Oh my gosh. Come here, big boy. Oh. Winnie, tell everybody that it's your birthday. He just wants to eat cookie cake. You can't have that, baby. I'm gonna have to make you something you can eat. Winnie turned 1. This is Winston, AKA Winnie, or Winifred. I call him lots of things, but he's the baby. We have 2 other dogs, but he's the baby. Anyway, we'll see y'all next week. Bye. Don't bite me. On today's episode, oops, rewind. Okay, rewind. Should I have the thing in front of me at first? Ice maker. Okay, my name is Stephanie if you're new here. I don't know why I did that. These are so cute. Got some cute little eggs to make it cute. I think they're cute. Let's count how many times I can say cute.